Hey everybody, it is Sunday and Wyatt and I are in the sunshine for you because it is literally just coming right at us, kicking off another What I Wore video. You in the sunshine, buddy? So it is such a beautiful, beautiful morning and we have lots to do, don't we, Wyatt? Are you going to help me? Wyatt looks sleepy, doesn't he? So I have some videos to do, I have some groceries to get since I was gone all week. And some other errands to run. And I also would like some pool time because I know my days are numbered and I'm anxious to get as many days in the pool as I can. But for today's outfit, I'm pretty casual. I have on an outfit that I got in a FabFitFun box. A pair of just black denim shorts and a top from Free People. And a Willow and Clay little cardigan because it's a little bit cool this morning, but it's going to get up into to be 86 today, so it's going to be super nice. And I have on shoes that you've been seeing a lot lately because they seem to be going with everything, kind of like my pink Toms. These Kenneth Cole little sandals that I got earlier this summer from a Nordstrom shoe haul I did. And I think that's it for today, so let me share. So here's the outfit. These shorts are really nice. I actually really like them. I don't think I own any tan shorts. So they have these nice patch pockets. They have the fringe on the bottoms. And then I put it on with the Free People top that came with them. That does have the really wide armholes. So I have on a half cami. You can probably kind of see through it. That's also Free People actually, just so that you can't see anything. I have a front tucked, and I'm probably not going to need this little cardi for very long, but I liked it, and it goes so well with this outfit, so I put it on for now. But this will take me into fall pretty nicely. And this is my outfit. Hopefully you guys can see with the shadows. So I'm keeping it pretty casual today. Here's the close-up. So I hope your week starts off well, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday. The weekend went by super fast. Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day, and I have meetings all day. And I'm exhausted thinking about it. I've almost made it to lunchtime. And I kept it fairly simple today. It's raining outside. It's not going to be that wonderful. It's going to be like a high of 75, I think. But it's kind of windy and yucky. But I have on a skirt that I got at the Limited many years ago. And I have on a jean jacket cut from the cloth. This is not one I have worn recently, although it is a lighter wash. This one's more of a heavier weight than the one I've been wearing previously, which was a lighter weight. But you might not be able to tell without putting them next to each other, but it's actually not the same one as my other lighter weight jean jacket. I sound crazy, right? Sorry. And I have on a white tank top from the Loft. And I was super lazy this morning. I had to get in front of my computer for some meetings early, so I took the easy route and put on my clear Shutz sandals. So here is my outfit for Monday. So my skirt is a kind of a high-low midi, I guess, and kind of a tulip in this pink color. And I've had it for a while and was trying to decide if it should stay or go. I haven't gotten to the skirts yet for that part, but I decided to wear it today and see if I liked it. See, it kind of has the extra layers in the back as well, but it's not a bad dress. And yeah, I put on a white tank top. This is one with adjustable straps from the Loft, and my jean jacket because it's cooler outside, and my clear heels. Hopefully you can see these. And that's my whole outfit for today. And Wyatt's ready for a nap. All right, so I hope your week's off to a good start, and I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day. I was able to come back outside, but it's cool out today. So it's only going to be a high of 70, so that's like a 10-degree temperature drop. These last couple days it's been cooler. Supposed to warm up for the weekend, luckily, so. I don't know, there's an unhappy dog somewhere. Do you hear that? That's what Wyatt's ears are up. He's trying to figure out where that dog is. So for today, I have on, you go find it, Wyatt. I have on a jumpsuit from Target that I got in the spring, I believe it was, in this gunmetal gray color. And I have on one of those half camis that I got from Amazon. I shared with you a few videos back. My necklace is from White House Black Market, and my shoes I got a while ago. They're BCBG sandals. Aren't those cute with the zipper? I haven't worn these yet this summer, and I like them. So they have a nice little, probably 2-inch heel. They're super comfortable. And I do have a jacket from BlankNYC. I got it at Nordstrom probably last year or the year before, because it's a little cool this morning and most of today that I'm probably going to wear. And it's going to look familiar because I got the pink one in my trunk club, and no, I didn't keep it, believe it or not, because I had this purple one. So I refrained. So here's my outfit. Alright, so this jumpsuit is very soft, very comfortable. It does have these pockets, which I do feel like I need to make sure lay straight. I think Wyatt got me wet here. I don't know what that is. But this is the little half cami, so it comes to like right here. I like those because you don't want anything bunching up whenever you have on a little jumpsuit like this. So here's the full outfit with the shoes. And the jacket, if I put it on today, which I probably will at some point, it's equally as soft. It's like a faux suede, but super soft. You can tell fall's coming, even though I don't like it. It's supposed to get warm this weekend, so I'd like it to hold off as long as possible. But this is my outfit. Alright, I'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, and Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day. Zena's in her crate. Door's open. She just goes in there and hangs out in the morning. She likes quiet time. But Wyatt and I are here, and it is going to be a really pretty day, but it's cool this morning, so it's going down into like the 50s at night now, which I don't like. Then it takes a really long time to warm up, and then it gets really warm, and then it gets cold again. So, welcome fall. I'm so not a fall girl, because it just means winter's around the corner. But enough about that. So for today, see my camera's crooked, I have on a skirt from the Loft and a little sweater tank also from the Loft. My shoes are Calvin Klein. I'm kind of keeping it calm today. These are not a very high heel at all. They kind of have a cute, I don't know, what would this be? I want to call it alligator, but it's got a nice shimmer print and probably too perfect to truly be alligator. But those are my shoes. Got them from Nordstrom. My jacket is from White House Black Market. I got it last year, or maybe in the spring, but a while ago. My earrings are RocksBox. And here's my outfit. So the skirt is cute. I got it last year from Loft. Has these little zippers here. Zipper pockets, little fringy bottom. And like I said, just a tank. Hopefully I won't need my jacket here as soon as it warms up, but it's like that coated material, a little bit of a moto style. And here's the whole outfit. So I hope everyone's week is going well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, what day is it? Thursday. It's Thursday. Time for outfit of the day, and it is a yucky day. Look at Wyatt. Why are you such a goof? It's a yucky day. Rainy, cool. It's going to be a high of, let's see, 74 today. It's only 60 right now. It's just not nice out. I don't think Wyatt minds, but I don't really like it. And I have to, really crazy work day, and then I go straight to my son's hockey game. So it's hockey season again. Can't say I missed it because, you know, I don't like being in cold rinks, but it's okay. I like watching my son play. But the break was nice. So hockey's a long season. Anyway, I'm digressing. My outfit today. I realized I didn't put a necklace on yet, so I'm going to have to do that. But I have on a pair of joggers that I got in a Stitch Fix that I really like. I have on shoes that from Camuto that I got years and years ago, probably 3 years ago. Aren't these cute? I have a couple pair of them. And this tank, which is like off-white, I can't put my shoes back on now, that I got in a Trendsend, which I really like. It's a simple tank, but it's easy, comfy. I think it's Allison Joy. Bomber jacket that I got in a Amazon Prime wardrobe that I just love, and that's my outfit for today because it's going to cool down after I leave the house as well. Plus, I have to be in a hockey rink, so I dressed for cooler weather today. All right, let me share. Too much talking today. All right, so these joggers are very, very soft. I really like them, and they have elastic around the ankle. They have these nice pockets, and yeah, they're kind of cute. They have flat pockets in the back. So a nice comfy pair of pants for the day. And this little jacket by, who is this by? This one is by Vero Moda. And I did get it in a Amazon Prime wardrobe box. I think this was back when I was still picking it before I started using the stylist. Amazon Prime wardrobe stylist I use now, since I got tired of searching for stuff myself. But isn't this the cutest little jacket? I love the little tropical theme on it, the fun leaves and the pretty flowers. And it goes really well with these pants. So this is my outfit for today. I hate that fall's coming, but it is. And I guess I'm going to have to deal with it. Hopefully we still have some warm days coming. Anyway, I was pretty talky today, wasn't I? Hope everyone's doing well, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody. Happy Friday from Wyatt and I. I don't know where Zena is. She does this frequently. Has she made an appearance in this video yet? We might have to grab her for tomorrow, huh? It's Friday. I didn't get home till after midnight last night. My son's game went till about 11. It's crazy. So we're all tired, but it's almost the weekend, so that's awesome, and it's a pretty, pretty day out today, which is also awesome, so all good, right? Wyatt's squinting. What do you hear? You heard something, huh? I'm very casual today. I have on a little sweater halter top from Mix and Match box that I haven't got a chance to wear yet, and a pair of jean shorts cut from the cloth that I also got in a box. Wonder which one. I'm thinking Natalie Attired, I think. I'm not sure. And I took the lazy way out, and I have on my snow flip-flops today. And I think that's it. So let me share. So these are longer shorts with just a little bit of distressing. And then I have on this little, it's a bit of a looser, longer sweater halter top. I did do a front top because it hangs pretty low. It doesn't come too close to my neck, so far we're okay. This is what it looks like with my nice casual look for today. It's going to get up to 81 today. So keeping it nice and casual. Hope everyone has an awesome Friday, and I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is a sunny Saturday, and we are bringing you outfit of the day. I think it's going to be a pretty day. They're calling for chance of showers, but we're hoping it holds out, right Wyatt? It's going to be what, 84? That's a pretty day, right? Excited, so happy it's the weekend. It's been a crazy week, and I'm traveling next week. So we're going to enjoy the weekend. And guess who's making their debut for this video, I believe. I don't think we've seen Xena all week, have we? Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi. She's so funny. So we got her out of bed, so she's not thrilled. So happy weekend. It's Saturday, and I'm pretty simple today. I have on a mix and match dress I haven't worn yet. Very nice dress going into fall. Super comfortable. It's by Gilly. I have on my yellow slides from Halogen. I'm not giving up on yet. I think these will go nice into fall as well. And I don't think I'm going to need it, but I thought it was going to be cooler because it said it was only in the 60s right now, but it actually feels really nice. And I'm in the sun, so the sun's on me. But I grabbed a cut from the cloth jean jacket that I got in a Wantable. So I'll try it on for you, but I'm not sure I'm going to need it unless I'm inside. So here's my outfit for Saturday. So I don't know if you guys remember this dress from one of my mix and matches I got, I think a couple months ago. Has this nice little V. It's fitted here through the bodice and then a little flowy here at the bottom. Wyatt, what are you doing? So here's the dress. So nice and comfortable. Love the animal prints. And here's my jean jacket. I like this one in the super dark wash. I haven't worn it yet, but I thought it would be cute for a weekend look. Here's the rooster. I still have no idea where this rooster is, but I hear him every morning. So here's a close-up. He's funny, huh? He's loud. Yeah, so here's my outfit for Saturday. Is this dress not cute? I always have to cuff my sleeves for whatever reason. I seem to like them better this way. Here we go. Alright, so I hope everyone has an awesome weekend, and I am traveling next week, but I hopefully will be able to continue to do my outfits. And please consider hitting that like button. Love it if you hang out and hit that subscribe button. I will list all my outfits down below for you in case if there's links available, I will put them. However, most of these are from my closet or from a box, but I will put links for the boxes down below as well. So I hope you enjoyed this. Till next time, everyone, have an amazing, amazing day. Bye.